Hello, we're with the Reading Language Arts Department, and we wanted to take this opportunity to provide some clarity around two of our writing scaffolds, RACE and RACE ACER. Each of these scaffolds is designed to support students' thinking as they prepare to compose their short and extended constructed responses. Let's look at how we can use each of these to give our students the best shot at leveling up their writing. For short constructed responses, a concise, accurate response is key. We suggest using RACE when preparing students for their SERs. However, because we want extended constructed responses to be developed more deeply and supported more effectively, we suggest consistently using RACE ACER. Now, here's Robert with more about utilizing RACE for the short constructed response.
Let's take a look at the elements of our RACE scaffold. The first step in RACE is restating the prompt. This allows students to set the focus for their response. Next, students provide their answer. Here, we want students clearly stating their position. Once students have clearly answered, they need to cite the relevant text evidence. Once they've cited the text appropriately, they need to explain how their evidence supports their position. Stems like "this shows," "this proves," and "this means" have all been used in successful SERs to explain the evidence. Now let's go to ASIA to see how the basics of RACE can be transformed into RACE ACER for the ECR.
What we've added to RACE is another opportunity for students to support their position with additional reasoning, evidence, and explanations. After students have restated the prompt, answered with a position, cited relevant text evidence, and explained the evidence's connection to the answer, students will repeat that process to shore up the support for their position. Another answer with cited relevant text evidence and a clear connection between that evidence and their answer will lead to a more developed and better supported extended constructed response. To conclude, students will close out their ECR by restating the prompt with their clear position for a final time. By providing students with structured opportunities for thinking and writing like those provided with the RACE and ACER scaffolds, we're confident that we'll see all students level up their writing.